Among the 21 IIMs in India, today our focus is on IIM Nagpur, which has received an overall rating of 4.2 out of 5 stars by students on Shiksha.com. How is the MBA program here? Let's find out in this detailed college review. Starting right off with the 4.3 rated placements. According to the placement report for 2022-24 batch, a total of 255 MBA students participated in the placement drive. Top recruiters included Aditya Birla Capital, ICICI Bank, Adani and Coca-Cola. Additionally, there were 62 new recruiters including Haldiram's, IDBI Bank, John Deere and TVS Electronics. The top roles offered included product manager, area sales manager, retail banker, supply chain consultant, analytics consultant and more. Nearly 60% of the students opted for roles in domains such as strategy and consulting, general management, IT and analytics, and sales and marketing. The highest package offered was 38.4 lakh per annum and the median package was 16 lakh per annum. The year-over-year trend shows a marginal increase compared to 2022. When comparing the median package of IIM Nagpur with other IIMs such as Jammu and Bodh Gaya, IIM Nagpur's median package is more preferable. Regarding internships, according to the summer placement report of 2022-24, 253 students participated in the summer placements. The highest stipend offered was 2.24 lakh per annum, while the median stipend was 60,000. IIM Nagpur offers a 2-year full-time MBA program with an intake of 280 students. The 3-stage admission process considers CAT 2023 performance, past academic performance, work experience, gender diversity, and personal interview. Looking at the cutoffs for CAT, competition has marginally increased. Compared to IIM Jammu, the competition at IIM Nagpur is more intense. The total academic fees for the 2 years is around 18.9 lakhs. The institute also offers scholarships for meritorious students and those from economically weaker backgrounds to pursue the PGP program. Let's switch gears to the 4-star rated infrastructure and see what students are saying. The permanent campus of IIM Nagpur is located at Dahegaon Mauza, Mihan, just 9 kilometers from Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Nagpur International Airport. The new 132-acre campus is designed to be environmentally friendly and is being developed in 3 phases. Phase 1 includes modern academic complex, library, administrative block, student hostel, sports complex and faculty housing. The campus also features a management development center for executive education program and IIM Nagpur's entrepreneurship incubation center INFED with related infrastructure. The students praised the high standard infrastructure and well-arranged facilities. Moving on to faculty and course curriculum, which has received a 4.3-star rating. Students find the faculty helpful, qualified and knowledgeable with extensive teaching experience. The course curriculum is relevant and prepares students for the industry. The Executive MBA program at IIM Nagpur spans 2 years and is divided into 8 3-month terms with 4 terms each year. It includes a mix of core and elective courses. Core courses are delivered in the first 5 terms, while the final 3 terms in the second year focuses on elective courses across various specializations. Participants can choose courses based on their interests and professional needs. The academic areas at IIM Nagpur include strategy and entrepreneurship, decision science and information systems, economics, humanities, arts and social sciences, finance and accounting, marketing, organizational behavior and human resource management, production and operations management. To provide students with adequate exposure, international immersion programs are organized with selected countries, locations including Japan, Singapore, South Korea, France and Dubai. During this program, students are exposed to international business environments and cultures that are different from their home business environment. Additionally, a mandatory 75% attendance is required for the successful completion of a 2-year program. Now on to the 4.3 rated campus life at IIM Nagpur. Students have access to various academic and non-academic clubs with a wide range of interests including entrepreneurship, finance, cultural activities, cinematography, sports and more. The institute also holds various events such as the Guard of Honor and Piloting event, Republic Day Parade, Zero Mile Fest, Spike Mackay, IT Conclave, International Yoga Day, Convocation Ceremony and several others. Lastly, IIM Nagpur secured the 31st rank in the NIRF 2024 Management category, moving up 12 positions since last year. For more details on IIM Nagpur and to check out thousands of course and college reviews, visit Shiksha.com. We'd like to hear from you, so do drop in a comment below and do not forget to like and share this video.